Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Peter's channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Peter.
Hello, Peter, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. It is so good to be here with you today.
Always a joy to have you here, Lily. And before we start, everyone watching, thank you so much for joining us. If you enjoy our videos, please click like and subscribe to our channel. It really helps a lot.
Yes, please do. And share this video with your friends who are learning English. Maybe they will enjoy our stories too.
Perfect. Now, Lily, you look very happy today. You have a big smile.
Oh, yes, I am very happy, Peter. Something fun happened this morning.
Really? Tell me.
Well, I finally bought something I've wanted for a long time.
A new phone?
No,
A new dress?
no,
A new cat?
no. I bought roller skates.
Roller skates? Lily, that is awesome. I didn't know you like skating.
I don't, but I want to learn.
Ah, so you bought the skates first, and then you will learn.
Exactly. But Peter, this morning I tried them.
Oh no. That tone means disaster. What happened?
Okay, so I put on the roller skates inside my living room.
Why inside the house?
I thought it was safer. There are walls.
And your floor is very smooth.
Yes, very smooth. Too smooth. So I stood up and immediately, whoosh!
You fell?
No, worse. I didn't fall. I slid all the way across the living room, straight into the couch.
Oh no. Did it hurt?
My dignity hurt more than my body.
Oh, Lily, that is amazing.
Wait, it gets worse. My dog, Coco, saw me rolling and thought, oh, playtime. So she started barking and running after me.
A roller skating Lily and a chasing dog. This is already a movie.
Coco jumped on me and I lost balance. I grabbed the curtain to stop myself.
No.
Yes, the entire curtain came down.
The whole curtain?
The whole thing, the rod, the cloth, everything. It fell on top of me like a giant blanket.
Oh, Lily, this is too good. Did Coco help?
Help? No! She thought it was a tent. She crawled inside and started wagging her tail.
I wish I had seen that.
Thank God nobody did, except my neighbor.
What? How?
My window was open. He walked by and saw my legs sticking out from the curtains. He asked, "Are you okay?" I said, "Just learning."
This story is gold.
You should see the living room now. The curtains are gone, the couch is crooked, and Coco is very proud.
I think Coco might be the real winner today.
She definitely thinks so.
Speaking of pets, I have a pet story too.
Oh, great. I love your pet stories.
Yesterday was Pet Day at my apartment building.
Pet Day? What is that?
It's a day when neighbors bring their pets to the garden so they can meet and play. Sounds nice, right?
Yes. But knowing you, something went wrong.
Something always goes wrong. So my neighbor, Mr. Chan, brought his parrot, a very talkative parrot.
Oh no. Parrots are dangerous. They say things at the wrong time.
Exactly. And my cat, Milo, saw the parrot. Milo was ready to jump.
Cats always want to fight birds.
But before Milo could do anything, the parrot looked at him and shouted, "No, bad cat, go home."
The parrot said that?
Yes, loudly. Milo froze. He looked shocked, like, "How dare you talk to me?"
That is hilarious.
Then the parrot shouted again, "Go home, Milo, go home."
And?
Milo turned around and actually walked home.
No.
Yes, he obeyed the parrot.
Milo is a very polite cat.
Or a very scared one.
So what did you do?
I apologized to Mr. Chan for my cat's disobedience.
It sounds like the parrot is the real boss.
I think so. He was giving orders to every animal. He told a dog, sit. The dog sat. He told a rabbit, stop. The rabbit stopped.
That is the funniest pet day ever.
It was chaos, but funny chaos.
I love these stories. Our lives are always full of strange adventures.
True. Speaking of adventures, how is your family, Lily?
Oh, they are wonderful. My brother just started a new job.
Oh, that's great. How is he doing?
Peter, he is trying.
Trying usually means failing.
Not failing, but confused. His new job uses a lot of computers, and he is not good with technology.
Oh boy. Technology plus confused person equals disaster.
Exactly. Yesterday, he tried to send an email to his boss,
Okay.
but instead of attaching the file, he attached a picture of his dog.
No way!
Yes, a big picture of his dog smiling.
What did his boss say?
His boss replied, "Thank you for the lovely dog, but where is the report?"
I love your brother already.
Just wait. Later, he tried again, but he accidentally sent the report to the entire company.
Oh, no.
Yes, his first week is very eventful.
Your family is amazing.
They really are.
And that, everyone, is the end of part 1. We still have more stories to tell in part 2.
Yes, part 2 will be even funnier, so please stay with us.
Welcome back, everyone, to part 2 of our fun conversation. Thank you for staying with us.
Yes, thank you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button. It helps our channel so much and keeps us motivated to bring you more fun English conversations.
Absolutely. Now, Lily, we finished part 1 with your brother's technology adventures.
Yes, poor man. Technology is not his friend.
Honestly, technology isn't my friend either, especially last weekend.
Oh, what happened?
I tried online shopping.
That sounds safe.
You would think so, but no. I wanted to buy a simple thing, a lamp.
A lamp. Easy.
Yes, but online shopping has too many choices. Small lamps, big lamps, lamps that change colors, lamps that play music.
Lamps that play music?
Yes, and I accidentally ordered a lamp that dances.
A dancing lamp?
Yes, when you turn it on, it wobbles and shakes like it's doing a little dance.
That is amazing. Why are you complaining?
Because when I opened the box, I scared myself. The lamp turned on automatically and started shaking like a ghost was inside.
Oh, no.
I screamed, my cat screamed, the lamp kept dancing.
Peter, this is the best lamp ever.
The worst part? I didn't know how to turn it off. I chased it around the room.
You chased a lamp?
Yes, it kept wobbling away from me. My cat thought it was a monster, and when I tried to unplug it, I tripped and fell on the sofa.
Oh, Peter, I wish I had a video of that.
Thank God there is no video.
So, where is the lamp now?
In the closet, dancing alone.
Poor lamp.
Poor me.
Speaking of shopping, I have a story too.
Oh, perfect. I love your stories.
Yesterday, I went grocery shopping. Simple, normal, nothing dangerous.
You say that, but I feel danger coming.
Yes, I was in the fruit section. You know how they spray water on the fruits to make them look fresh?
Yes, like a mini rain shower.
Exactly. I was picking apples when suddenly, pss, 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 water sprayed out so strongly it hit me right in the face.
Oh no!
My hair got wet, my face got wet, my shirt got wet. I looked like I just took a shower in the supermarket.
That is terrible.
But wait, a little boy near me looked at me and said, "Mommy, the lady is wet."
Kids always say the truth.
And then he said, "Is she crying?" I wasn't crying, just wet.
Lily, you attract chaos.
I know. But the best part? His mother said, "Don't stare, sweetie. She is washing her face."
Washing my face in the supermarket? What?
I can't breathe. That is too funny.
I had to walk around the whole store looking like a disaster. Water dripping everywhere.
I admire your bravery.
I bought extra apples to make myself feel better.
Well earned.
But you know, funny things happen everywhere. Even at school.
Oh? Something happened in your class?
Yes! Last week, I taught a kids' English class.
Kids are always funny.
Very. I asked them to write one sentence about their family.
Easy.
One little boy wrote, "I love my family because they buy me chicken."
Chicken is life.
Another girl wrote, "My dad is very strong. He can open jars."
That's a superpower.
But the funniest was a boy named Tim. He wrote, "My mom is pretty, but she gets angry when I touch the TV."
That's honest and dangerous.
I was laughing so hard. Kids have no filters.
True. They are like little truth machines.
Speaking of truth machines, let me tell you about my aunt.
Oh, no. Story time?
My aunt visited me last week. When she walked into my apartment, you know the very first thing she said?
Something kind?
No. She said, "Lily, your plants look sad."
Oh, no.
Then she walked around like a plant doctor, touching every pot. This one needs more sun. This one is crying. This one is dying.
How many plants do you have?
About 10.
And how many did she say were dying?
9.
Oh, Lily.
I know. She even lectured the plants. Why are you not growing? Lily gives you water. She was scolding them like children.
Your aunt is a legend.
She is. She said she will visit again to check their progress.
The plants are stressed already.
So am I.
Well, my week wasn't any calmer. I visited my cousin, and he has a new baby.
Oh, babies are sweet.
Yes, but unpredictable. I was holding the baby and feeling proud. The baby looked at me with big eyes and sneezed directly into my face.
Oh no.
A big baby sneeze. Very powerful. I felt honored and attacked at the same time.
That means the baby likes you.
Really?
No, I just wanted to make you feel better.
Thanks, I guess.
Babies do that. You will survive.
Speaking of survival, Lily, how is your roller skating journey now?
I practiced again.
Inside the house?
No, outside, in the park. Safer.
And? Did you fall?
Yes, 3 times. But I am improving. I can stand for 10 seconds without moving.
That is progress?
Yes. And a little girl passed by on her scooter.
She looked at me and said, "Don't worry, you will learn one day."
A little girl encouraged you?
Yes, she was 5. Very wise child.
You attract mentors everywhere.
I need them.
Well, Lily, today's stories were amazing. Roller skates, grocery storms, dancing lamps.
And parrots bossing cats around.
I feel like we live in a comedy show.
Maybe we do.
And now, everyone, thank you so much for listening to our conversation today. We truly hope you enjoyed it.
Yes, thank you for being here with us. If you had fun, please click like and subscribe to Mr. Peter channel.
And don't forget to share this episode with your friends who are learning English.
And please tell us in the comments, what is the funniest thing that happened to you this week?
We love reading your stories.
We really do. They make our day brighter.
All right, Lily, until next time.
Until next time, Peter.
Bye, everyone. See you in the next episode.